Hello world, hi once again back to my channel and welcome back to my another content, and this content is very crucial for every beginner who wants to learn English. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's so I'll be able to see my all content even while I'll publish my everything content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. And this time for let's begin. Today I will share with you exactly, do you want to speak English but don't know where to start? Don't worry. Today I will teach you your first 10 sentences that you can start using right now. And this video, no grammarization rules, no memorizing, just speak confidently from day one. So please don't waste your time and don't skip any kind of portion because every portion is must for learning this kind of language. And present them slowly, right? Repeat 2 or 3 times and give real life content. Example talks are like, hello, how are you? What's your name? This is the getting sentences. And where are you from? Or what's your hobby? Like, what is your current city? Where do you live in right now? What's your occupation right now? Or where are you from? I don't understand. Can you help me? Asking for help. And I'm learning English, showing your intention. Thank you, you're welcome. Whilst conversation ended. Now I'm showing with you exactly with this few question with some example like, hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you, and you? This is called question with answer with examples. Like, my name is Shishir, nice to meet you. Shishir, where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. Oh, I have always visited to Bangladesh. What's your favorite like? Or what's your favorite hobbies? Or do you like pizza? I like pizza and I playing football. What is your name? Exactly, my name is MD Shirikbal Sagar, and people are call me Sagar or Shishir, or you can call me Shishir or Sagar, don't worry. Where are you from? I'm from Abna, Rajshahi, Bangladesh. Right now I'm living Abna at my village. And I don't understand. Can you say it again, please? I don't understand. Can you say it please again? Or can you help me? Sure. What do you need help me? What do you need help with me? You can ask for sir. Why you want to learn English? That's a great question. I'm learning English because English is a global language right now, and if you understand this kind of language, or if you learn this kind of language, that time global opportunities will come with me. That's why I'm learning this kind of new language. Thank you. Or you can say that's great. Keep practicing every day because practice is perfect. Thank you, you're welcome. Thank you for your help, you're welcome. Repeat daily, speak slowly or like 2 or 3 times in a day, and practice in front of camera or in front of mirror. Record yourself, tie useful sentences which do you want to your real life. So now it's your turn, don't waste your time. See you soon with another content, and if you think this content will help for your English content, for your English speaking journey, you can follow or subscribe my channel.